The ultrasonic sensor measures distance from 2 centimeters to 4 meters with a ranging accuracy of up to 3 millimeters. Now let us see the working principle of this sensor.
The working principle of this sensor is based on ultrasound reflection. It emits an ultrasound wave that travels at 40,000 Hz and moves through the air. If an obstacle or object is encountered, the wave is reflected back to the sensor. So based on the travel time of the wave and speed of sound, we can calculate the distance of the object. It has two ultrasonic transducers. One acts as a transmitter and the other acts as a receiver. The sensor has 4 pins: VCC, ground, trigger and echo. VCC and ground are to be connected to VCC and ground pins of Arduino respectively. Trigger and echo pins can be connected to any of the digital input and output pins of Arduino. To initialize the ultrasonic wave, we need to give a 10 microsecond pulse to the trigger pin. Now, the ultrasonic transducer will send out an 8-cycle sonic burst that travels at the speed of sound. As soon as the pulse is sent, the echo pin turns to high state and goes low as soon as the echo is received. So all we need to do is monitor the echo pin. So if the object is 10 cm away from the sensor, speed of sound is 340 meter per second or 0.034 cm per microsecond. So we can calculate the time as distance upon speed, which is 10 divided by 0.034, which gives us 294 microseconds. But the distance that we will get here will be double, as it is the time taken for the wave to reach the object and return back. So what we need to do is divide the value by 2 and we will get the actual distance.
Let us now see how this sensor can be used in different DIY engineering projects. Third eye for blind ultrasonic vibrator glove. This glove has an ultrasonic sensor which helps the blind to detect an object ahead and find the right path. Variable head solar grass cutter weed trimmer robot. This robot uses an ultrasonic sensor for autonomous navigation throughout the garden, making the process of grass trimming very easy. Arduino-based autonomous firefighting robot. This robot uses an ultrasonic sensor which is mounted on the servo motor. This sensor is used for path navigation and helps reaching the fire very quickly by avoiding obstacles. Arduino Ultrasonic Sonar or Radar Monitor Project. This system uses a rotating ultrasonic sensor to scan and detect any object within the effective range of the sensor. Ultrasonic blind stick with GPS tracking. This blind stick uses an ultrasonic sensor which senses an object within a certain range and helps the blind for path navigation. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.